Number 1. 1983 Chevrolet S10, $2,999, Silverton, Oregon. This 1983 Chevrolet S10 is a budget-friendly compact pickup featuring a new General Motors crate 2.8-liter V6, factory air conditioning, power steering, and a 5-speed manual transmission. It retains its original paint with minor dents, has good tires, and includes a 7-foot bed with its original liner. Previously used for light work, it is a solid base for a mini truck build or project. Number 2. 1985 Mitsubishi Mighty Max Turbo Diesel 4x4, $4,800, Menifee, California. This first-generation Mighty Max offers a dependable 2.3-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and functional 4-wheel drive. With 174,000 rust-free miles and a clean title, it runs and drives but requires a power steering line and lacks air conditioning. A desirable option for enthusiasts seeking an unmodified Japanese diesel pickup. Number 3. 1979 Chevrolet El Camino, $3,200, Sparks, Nevada. Powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, this 1979 El Camino shows 80,000 miles and carries a clean title. It runs well, remains in solid condition, and has valid plates through November 2025. A budget-friendly G-body platform ideal for restoration or light customization. Number 4. 1987 Chevrolet C20 3.3 Scottsdale, $7,500, San Carlos, California. This heavy-duty crew cab features a General Motors Crate 350 with roughly 12,000 miles, a rebuilt automatic transmission, 3.73 gears, airbag suspension, new tires, brakes, and steering components. With 126,000 total miles, it was built for fifth-wheel towing and remains a dependable square-body workhorse. Number 5. 1976 Chevrolet C30 Rollback, $9,500, East Wenatchee, Washington. Equipped with a 454 V8 and turbo 400 transmission, this 1976 Chevrolet C30 features a 19-foot Jardan aluminum rollback deck with a built-in winch. Recent maintenance includes a new starter flex plate, tune-up, and fuel system service. A functional vintage rollback suitable for shops or collectors. Chevrolet C30. Number 6. 1963 Studebaker Champ Pickup, $8,500, Lufkin, Texas. This rare 3/4-ton Studebaker Champ runs a 259 V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission. The odometer shows 25,000 miles rolled over, complemented by new tires, ignition components, carburetor, and fuel pump. It runs and drives properly with strong cosmetics, though some electrical items need attention. Number 7. 1968 Ford F100 short bed, $8,000, Soledad, California. A 1968 Ford F100 short bed powered by an inline-six with a manual transmission. Showing 65,000 miles, it has typical rust and includes upgrade components such as a Crown Victoria front suspension, Lincoln Mark VIII rear suspension, Mustang GT engine, and patch panels. A strong platform for a rest-a-mod project. Number 8. 1978 GMC High Sierra diesel, 454 gas, $13,000, Gilroy, California. Originally a diesel model, this California Survivor GMC High Sierra was converted years ago to a 454 gasoline engine, making it smog exempt. With 71,449 miles rolled over, it is straight, rust-free, and retains its patina and blue plates. It runs and drives exceptionally well. Number 9. 1980 Chevrolet Scottsdale 3/4 ton, $16,000, Chilliwack, British Columbia. Nearly like new in appearance, this 1980 Scottsdale shows 20,000 miles rolled over and features upgrades such as Holly Sniper fuel injection, new paint, new wheels and tires, a new transmission, and dual exhaust. A cosmetically and mechanically refreshed 3/4 ton square body ideal for collectors. Number 10. 1971 Chevrolet Custom 10 4x4 long bed, $19,500, Vancouver, Washington. This well-maintained 1971 Custom 10 is equipped with a 350 V8 4-speed manual transmission and Warren locking hubs, showing 95,000 original miles. It runs and drives excellently with new tires and solid mechanical upkeep. A desirable early 1970s four-wheel drive classic. Number 11. 1965 Dodge Sweepline truck, $22,500, Phoenix, Arizona. A well-preserved Dodge Sweepline with 64,000 miles, powered by a 225 slant 6 and a 3-speed column shift manual. It runs, shifts, and stops properly with no bed damage. With Sweepline values rising, this clean example is highly collectible. Number 12. 1963 Ford F100 Short Bed, $21,000, Lewisville, Texas. This exceptionally original 1963 F100 Short Bed retains its 292Y block V8 and 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Showing 20,000 miles, it is rust-free with excellent paint, a strong frame, and smooth driving characteristics. A true early 1960s survivor. Number 13. 1997 ISUZU Hombre, $497, Austin, Texas. A low-cost project truck featuring a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and sport wheels. With 144,727 miles, a worn seat, and a weak battery, it needs basic repairs but offers a clean, rust-free body. Compact 1990s pickups like this are becoming increasingly collectible. Number 14. 1964 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, $21,000, Henderson, Nevada. This 1964 C10 Fleetside is powered by a 350 crate engine and 700 R4 automatic, featuring working air conditioning, functional gauges, front disc brakes, and power brakes. Garage kept and cleanly presented, it lacks power steering, but remains an appealing mid-1960s classic. Number 15. 1982 Chevrolet Silverado Factory Short Bed, $24,500, Glendale, Arizona. A show-quality 1982 Silverado, featuring a rebuilt 350 V8, rebuilt 700R transmission, new wheels and tires, cold air conditioning, and a new interior. Finished in PPG base coat with House of Collar candy green, it shows 48,949 Box A miles and runs exceptionally well.